friends, it's your girl Lisa Marie, and we are here with yet another EC haul. Ooh, I'm so excited. I went to my front door, I opened it, and I was like, yes, it's here. And so we have the wonderful gift tag label, and it's in the October orange. And then what's this one say? What you're looking for is not out there, it's in you. Oh, good one, good one. All right, so we're gonna set those aside. Haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with those, but I'm sitting on my couch kind of Indian style. Well, let's be real. These legs haven't gone Indian style in a while. But one leg up, how about that? So we're gonna crack the seal. You know, the first time I did this, I was so afraid about ripping it. Now, I don't care. I don't care. Throw back the bubble. Ooh, I see stickers. All right, we're gonna go just like they have them on top. This has really become one of my favorite patterns. I got my lunch pail in this, and so I had to get some stickers in it. So, yay, very excited about that. Oh, and Sarah Marie had me fall in love with the hexagons, so got me some of those. Yay, I'm looking forward to using those. And then I think, Sarah Marie, I didn't know that you were in love with this pattern, but then I saw your haul the other day, and I too have fallen in love with this pattern. So I wasn't copying, it's just like my Sarah Marie and Lisa Marie, we think alike. So, all right. I don't know if many of you know this, but I am a licensed salesperson, and so I have to renew my license every 4 years, and I did not renew it when I should have because of my diabetes diagnosis, and so my vision went a little bad, but I need to jump on it, and so the secret to getting ahead is getting started, and so I thought I would purchase a notebook dedicated to that. The best way to get things done is to begin, so I have begun by getting a notebook, and I'm going to start studying, and I thought what better way than a beautiful EC notebook to be dedicated. So that shall begin very soon, and I bought a life planner, and I decided I needed a deluxe monthly planner to get my budgeting guru on. And see, the hexagons, but I'm a blue girl, so I did it all in the blue. Interesting, the LMC is a little high. I would have thought it would have been more scented than the hexagon. Interesting, and I did go for the colorful version, so I am uber excited. Sorry, a little off. Uber excited. I did start with October, and I cannot wait. So I'm a couple weeks in, but I don't care. What better reason to get going? So I'm super excited, and that's it, y'all. We have reached the bottom of the box, all bubble, and I'm very excited about my little purchases. My deluxe monthly, my EC notebook, sorry about the glare, I'm trying to not to, and my sticker packs. Ooh, love them all. And then to top it off, my postcard and my gift tag label. All right, I'm out. It's time to watch a little TV. Thanks, y'all.